This is my Charleigh and Meeko boys. Real excited. This is Candyman. This is little Carter. He's not big as nothing. Isn't he cute? Hey. Well, y'all wanting to get out and play. They are so cute. They're about to start eating their puppy kibbles. Candyman right here, and little Carter right here. Oh, come back in here so we can get your video. Ooh-wee. He's a sweetheart. He's just a little bitty fella, all compact build. He's gonna be a cutie. Little Candyman's a cutie too. He has this little Haggerty dot on top of his head. Precious little fella. I think they're about ready to eat. Beautiful color of red and white. They're both registered with AKC and offered for pet home only. Beautiful babies. Yeah, you want to eat my hand? That's so sweet. Get over here, sweetheart. Get over here so we can get a good picture. Play with the toys. Look what we have. Y'all are precious. Precious babies. Hey, sweetheart. Uh-oh, we got everybody else alerted, don't we?